Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatin Anuity binti Fahmi with matrix number 2025163811.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aina Sofia binti Muhammad Jud and my student number is 2025118415.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Farisha Aini binti Zakaria. My student number 2025193169.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Imran bin Zabrisha and my student number is 2023678882.
Compound interest means you earn interest not only on your original amount, the principal, but also on the interest you already earned. So, every time interest is calculated, it includes both the original amount and the previous interest. That's why your money grows faster compared to simple interest, which is only calculated on the original amount. Now, let's look how compound interest is calculated. Let's say we invest RM1000 at an annual interest rate of 6% compounded monthly for 2 years. We use formula S equal to P bracket 1 plus K per M bracket MT, where P is the principal amount, which is RM1000, K is the annual interest rate 0.06, M is the number of compounding period per year, which is 12. Now we substitute into the formula. After we calculate, we got S equal to 1000 open bracket 1 plus 0.005 to the power 24. Then we will get the answer S equal to RM 1127.49 ringgit. After 2 years, the investment grew to RM 1127.49 ringgit. If we subtract the original investment of RM 1000, the total interest earned is RM 127.49 ringgit.
Question 1B. Kakak invested 20,000 in a YY investment scheme at an interest rate of 9.4% compound monthly. 5 years later, she withdrew 2,500 from the account. If she decides to continue investing for another 3 years, what is the amount in her account at the end of the investment period? P equal to RM 20,000, K equal to 6.4 divided by 100 equal to 0.064, M equal to 12 is monthly, T equal to 5. Using formula S equal to P, open bracket 1 plus K divided by 12, close bracket, power of M multiplied by T. S1 equal to 20,000, open bracket 1 plus 0.064 divided by 12, close bracket, power of 12 multiplied by 5 equal to 20,000, open bracket 1.005333, close bracket, power of 60 equal to 20,000, open bracket 1.375929902, close bracket, S1 equal to RM 27518.60. 5 years later, she withdrew RM 2,500 from the account, so equal to RM 27518.60 minus RM 2500 equal to 25018.60. S2 equal to 25018.60, open bracket 1 plus 0.064 divided by 12, close bracket, power of 12 multiplied by 3 equal to 25018.60, open bracket 1.005333333, close bracket, power of 36 equal to 25018.60, open bracket 1.211052482, close bracket, total for S2 30298.84 after 3 years.
Moving on to the question 2. Pauline deposited RMX into savings account at 4.6% compounded quarterly. After 5.5 years, the bank revised the rate to 5.3% compounded every 6 months. If the accumulated amount in a savings account at the end of 10 years is 15,276 ringgit 27 cent, calculate the initial deposit. So our first T is 5.5 years. So how do we get another T? Is 10 minus 5.5 years, so we will get 4.5 years. Our K is 4.6% divided by 100, we will get 0.046, and another K is 5.5%, which is equivalent to 0.055. Our M is 4 and 2, so our S is 15,276 ringgit 27 cent. So here we are going to find P and S1. So we are using formula S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket N. So put it into formula, we already have S, which is 15276.27 equal to S1 bracket 1 plus 0.055 divided by 2, and our square root is 9. How do we get the 9 is 2 multiple 4.5, so we will get 9. So we will get 15276.27 equal to S1 bracket 1.27654 bracket. Moving the formula to the right, S1 is equal to 15276.27 divided by 1.27654. So the answer that we will get is 11967.93. So now using the same formula, S is equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket N. So now we are going to find P. Put it into formula, 11967.93 is equal to P bracket 1 plus 0.046 divided by 4 bracket square root 22. So the answer that we will get is 11967.93 is equal to P bracket 1.28602 bracket. To get P, we need to move S to the right. So it will be P equal to 11967.93 divided by 1.28602. So the answer is 9,306 ringgit 17 cents.
Next, moving to the question B. The total interest earned in the investment at the end of 10 years. Now, we need to use formula I equal to S minus P, which is I equal to 15,276 ringgit point 27 cent minus to 9,306.17 cent. So, the answer we got is 5,970.10 cent.
Now we move on to question 3C. Explain briefly on the term of annuity and its example. Annuity is a financial term that refers to a series of equal payments made at regular interval over a period of time. It can be made weekly, monthly, and yearly. There are two types of annuity, which is ordinary annuity. Payments are made at the end of each period. The second one is annuity due. Payments are made at the beginning of each period. Here is the example for the annuity. A retiree received 2,000 ringgit every month from a pension plan for 20 years. This is an ordinary annuity as the payments made at the end of each month. Ahmad decided to deposit 600 ringgit at the beginning of each month into a savings account for 10 years to save for his children's education. This is an annuity due as the payments made at the beginning of each month. And now question 3D. Mimi deposited RMX every month into and saving into an account. They pay interest 6% compounded monthly. She aimed to have 80,000 ringgit in 5 years. Time for her dream balcony renovation. How much should she have deposited each month to reach her goal? So to calculate this, we will be using the annuity formula, which is S equal to R, 1 plus I powered by N negative minus 1 divided by I. So we put the information we got into this formula, and we get 80,000 equal to R, 1 plus 0.005 powered by N, which is the N is 60, minus 1 divided by 0.005. Then we calculate the right part, and then we got R 1.348850 minus 1 divided by 0.005. We calculate that and we got 0.3488850 divided by 0.005. We calculate that part and then we got 69.77. To find the R, we need to move the 18,000 to the other side. And so we got 18,000 divided by 69.77. Calculate that and then we will get the answer of R, which is 1,146 ringgit 63 cents.
Question 4. The Yosemite house costing 500,367 ringgit in cash is purchased with 10% down payment. The remaining balance is to be paid through equal monthly installments of 2,303 ringgit. The interest charge was 4.25% compounded monthly. A. Calculate the number of equal payments required. Down payment is 10% equal to 0.1. R is 2,303 ringgit. K equal to 4.25% equal to 0.0425. M equal to 12. I equal to 0.0425 per 12. Thus, house costing 500,367 multiply 0.1 equal to RM 500,036.70 cent. Thus, 500,367 minus 50,036.70. So A equal to 450,330.30 cent. Next, we're using the formula A equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I close bracket negative N per I close bracket. After that, we substitute the number, which is 450,330.30 equal to 2,303 bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.0425 per 12 bracket negative N per 0.0425 per 12 and bracket. Next, bring the 2,303 below to 400,330.30 equal to 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.0425 per 12 bracket negative N per 0.0425 per 12. Next, A per R multiplied to I small, which is 450,330.30 per 2,303 multiplied to 0.0425 per 12 equal to 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.0425 per 12 bracket negative N. So the answer for A per R multiplied I is 0.69254000836 equal to 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.0425 per 12 bracket negative N. After that, we switch the place bracket 1 plus 0.0425 per 12 bracket negative N at the left equal to 1 minus 0.69254000836 at the right. So the answer for the 1 minus 0.6925400836 is equal to 0.30745999164. Now we're gonna use log 10, which is log bracket 1 plus 0.0425 per 12 bracket negative n equal to log 0.30745999164. And after that, we're gonna let negative n stay at the left and the log move to the right. So it will become negative n equal to log 0.30745999164 per log bracket 1 plus 0.0425 per 12 bracket. So the answer we got is n 333 months.
The question is, if the buyer misses the first 3 monthly payment, how much must be paid in the 4th month to settle all outstanding area? Then we will use the formula amount of annuity, where R is RM 2303, N is 3, K is 4.25%, which is 0.0425, M is 12, I equal K divided by M, which is 0.0425 divided by 12. Now we need to find S. Then after we substitute into the formula, we will get the answer RM 6,933.50.